It bothers me.
It's a pet peeve.
I'm vlogging with Maria's camera. And Maria's vlogging with my camera. And you
Quit dropping my camera!
That. You're gonna have to cut out all.
You can't pause it, you just stop.
Oh.
You just stop it.
Zoom.
Zoom.
That's all it goes.
This doesn't zoom very far. Leah's getting so comfortable in my bed.
I know. Tell me about it.
I know! Tell me about it!
Hi! I'm using Sean's camera, and this is probably gonna go up on YouTube.
Maria, why do you go up here?
I don't know. I just really like the view up here. You know,
It's just seeing.
I can't do it like this. It just my arm gets tired.
Hold on.
I do it like this.
Put it back down. Look at that. That's kind of cool. And I do it this way. Wait, yeah.
Wait.
Yes. Wow. Maybe it's really not that big of a deal.
Quick!
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Zoom.
Zoom into her face.
Scalp.
Really zoomed in. What the heck is wrong? She's just getting comfortable.
She's burrowing in there. I don't know what she's doing. I have no idea.
I'm burrowing.
Okay, bye. Everybody say bye.
Oh, I have to go.
Bye. Bye. See you later.
Adios. Adios.
Adios. And more lemon pledge.